only mezzo piano. It's only mezzo piano. 2 bars before 87. 2 before 87. Much better sensitivity to the parts around us and each one of those notes.
Yeah, the note before 80 or 87, where you started, 85? 2 before 87.
Oh yeah, 85.
Yeah, 85. 85. How confident are you that you play the right note on a scale of 1 to 10? But it doesn't sound confident because it's a weird sounding note, right? And you allowed it to sound unconfident because it's a weird sounding note. Play it again, and since you're sure you're playing it right, play it. And let that half step dissonance be there, or a whole step, whatever it is.
We'll go back to 82. Put that one in one side of the folder and get out the Rossini. La Cenerentola. La Cenerentola. Just the Italian pronunciation. Does anybody know what that translates to? Because it might help. Who's Rossini? So first thing, impressions. It's a composer we know. So what do you know about Rossini? He's Italian. What are the Italians known for? What kind of music? What genre? Starts with an O. What's an overture to? An overture to opera. Rossini was known for Italian opera, yeah? Maybe? Yeah? Yeah. 85 is. Yeah. Thank you for asking that. So this is from an opera. Any ideas? It's a story that you all know. Disney did a version of it. There's a new movie that came out that was live action. Cinderella. So this is Cinderella. What do you know about the story wave syndrome. So horns, right at the beginning of this piece, can you sing your part right at the beginning? Can you sing what you have right at the beginning? You're just gonna sing, because we can't play. Oh, sing louder. I'll help you out. We'll start here. La, da, dum. You got that for it? Da, dum. Da, dum. Da, dum. Ba, bum, ba, 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 bra, ba, 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 bum, bum. What does that sound like? Have you played anything like that horns before? No? 6/8 horns actually used to represent hunting horns of the 17th and 18th century, because the royalty would go out and hunt foxes, and they would use horn calls like that one. So it needs to be pompous because it's for the royalty. Woodwinds, you have that exact same thing, just a couple bars later. Think about style. Style of Rossini, heavy, light, long, connected, separated, detached. What is it? Light. The notes connected or detached? Detached, very good. We have an introduction section, then we add 33 is where we really start to have melody. So it really needs to emphasize weight on beats 1 and 2. Yes? All the repeats are good. Yep, 270 will be 3 times. Take a look at that. 270 says 3 times. Thank you for noticing that. All the repeats are good. What about tempo? What's it start at? 126. What's the second tempo? 178. Can you sing right at, what measure is that? 85. Can you sing right at 85? Singing and fingering right at 185. 2. Here we go. Give it energy. That's not the rhythm. One and one. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. 85. 2. Here we go singing. You can see the dynamics too. You can sing it musically as well. They're just scales, but make it interesting. Oh, so make sure we count through all of those, make sure we count through all the long notes. So we release together right at 168. Yeah. Sing 168, because now we have section. Tempo stays the same. 160. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it gets back into it. So right at 168, it trades off between the instruments. We have flute, ba-da-da-da-da-da, then clarinet, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Good. How about the key signature? E flat the whole way through. Are there accidentals though? Yeah, so be aware of the accidentals. Be aware of the speed at the end. Here we go. This is actually a really fun one. Let's play. Style, style, style. Light, detached. It's fun. Remember Cinderella gets swept off her feet, gets her dress ripped apart. It's tragic. She goes to find the prince. He says, "You're beautiful," but she has to leave because the fairy godmother said it won't last until midnight. Then he has to go and find her. Stepsisters are crazy. They cut off their toe and their heel. That's the real thing that happens. And then they fall in love and marry him. So really make it dramatic. It's opera. Here we go. One. Cinderella is walking around with moss. That's what that felt like. Horns! Horns! Lead into every single note and keep the tempo moving forward. So do, ba-dum, ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Dig into that last note. Here we go. Keep it up. 228, 228, second time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 reasons. I knew it would be challenging. One is because of style. Is the most challenging part of that one. So you really wanted to play it heavy and dig into every single one of the notes. So, style, light, attached. We talked about at the beginning, but keeping it light. Don't get stressed out the whole time. 2, remember all those repeats. So think about those before we do it. So we're out of time for today. So we will